Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness. This is Pumpkin. Hello, Pumpkin. How's it going? Oh, you're looking so lovely today. Oh, yes. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how sexual harassments start. Don't do this in your work environment. This is one of the old setup that we have here, and because a Beverton is a constant moron or learning, you know, it's all a matter of perspective. These are E36M series brakes, hence the wonderful little thing here that BMW is going to charge you an extra $200 for. So while we're here and I buttoned up all of this, I recall while skimming through an old video somebody going, "Hey man, there's a lot of space here, a lot of space, a lot of space." So I went back and reread the thing that SRS Concepts recommended to do while modifying and switching from 4-lug to 5-lug, and there was additional headache because this is an 85 model before they switched to hubs and all of that. Let's not get into that because we're just talking about the brakes, and somebody's going to message me later asking me about exactly what I said here. Can't use the M series brakes. If you go on SRS Concepts, they have a list of cars that you can use, and I already ran an experiment with the other set of brakes, and yeah, it looks like this one is going to be not suitable. Well, it should work, but this is like a good 3/4 of an inch of extra gap here. Yes, my fat fingers are going to smear it. I have brake cleaner. All right, let's go on the other side and show you what's going on. Boom! And now the miracle is trying to focus. Once again, these are the other brakes that they're going to charge you more money for. Like, hey, it's kind of like Apple EarPods. What? Longer battery life, $200? Why would I do that? Because you like wasting money, that's why. Anyway, so within changing and following or reading, you know, because we all have degrees in read, and society forces you to go to school to learn how to read, it looks like the appropriate caliper gives a little bit more of a meatier, you know, seems like it has a little bit more space to grab onto. So yes, this is what I'm back here doing in regards to this. Next problem. Whoop! It's hot and drinking is bad for you. That's a matter of perspective and how much alcohol you consume daily, and in the event you're young enough, YOLO. This is the front of the car. We all recognize all the wonders of this. Intercooler's back here. Little hack job welding across yonder. I'm sorry. It's back there. This is happening to get the valance to fit. See? Boom, cut that out. That's another one on this side. Oh, don't worry. It was a little bit nerve-wracking. Things that have happened. One day Beverton felt like crap and decided to play let's see how hacky I can get in the engine bay. So that happened. Ignore the alligator clips. This is the major problem as we see. It's like, hey, how you doing? Curve to the right. Or is that the left? I'm dyslexic. So this is the problem. See this right here? It's like nations or religions trying to get together, but we have different deities. Nothing happening there. Yeah, so then there's this thing. Yeah, that's there. What's the next thing that I messed up? I messed up something. There's also a series of things going on here. I think these holes for this with this tappy thingy might be a little bit big. I don't know. They don't seem wiggly now, but I don't trust it. I did it, and I'm kind of looking at it funny like, should I trust it? I think the O-ring in here is probably bad. Yes, there's an O-ring in here, so that might lead to other problems. This thing, as you put this up, seems like it's in a very, I don't know, this thing, the hose. I need to go get, I guess, a more straight one. This one's a bit crooked. Yeah, this is a whole kerfuffle of things happening back here. However, most importantly, this wonderful thing acts like it doesn't want to start after all the electronics is hooked back up. So, whew. I don't know if I missed anything. Oh, see, yeah, the intercooler is well, it's plumbed enough. It's sealed, and the whole shebang. Like, look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, it's atrocious, but I did it, and I'm semi-proud. Yep. I'll boom. Back onto here. Over here. What's holding this up? All right, here we go. I think I should be able to show you guys what's going on here, because I don't think some of you might not really know what's happening. So let's see if we can give you a wonderful presentation of Bev is breaking things. We are hearing oil pump. That's a digital dash. That's all of that stuff. Yes, there was a digital dash. And if anyone knows anything about it, there's a whole video somewhere in all the other crap. But when you start this, nothing all of a sudden is coming on. No cranking. So now I probably need to go. It's been a while. Pull the damn starter, which essentially requires all of the lovely things. I need to pull the starter to see if it works, because where it is just annoying. But wait a minute. Please stop looking at me, because you know no one really gives a shit about my face. Yeah, starter's down there. I need to figure out how to do that. I need to pull the starter, check to see if the starter is functional, because power is going down there. I would go down there with my lovely test light, but trust me, power is down there. Everybody's getting power, but no bumpy bump. And while I still can't start the car, it would have been lovely. I still can't drive the car because, you know, they're over here acting like they can't pick a deity. But yeah, man, everything was buttoned up. And then, you know, life started to say, hold my beer. Let me start shafting you. So yes, let's not get into any of that. And I'm gonna go pull that off in the back, and I don't know, we can hang out for a second. Yep, look at that. We got something accomplished. Man, I'm sweating like an illegal immigrant at your favorite restaurant. Or one with your leaf blower. Yeah. Yep, I'm stereotyping. So, yeah. The only positive thing about today is we accomplished this. And by we, I mean you watching or not watching or whatever is going on. Let's hope you're having a good day somewhere in there. Oh, there goes that. Need to put that set screw back in here. And yes, hopefully you can see the difference between this and where it was earlier. Yeah. So follow the instructions, people, so things don't look ridiculous. And yeah, we're gonna be going to the front to pull this thing apart now, because I need to figure out if the starter is working, because you know, always something. So yeah, hold up. On the ground, lower. Get it, girl, get it. Anyway, so show you what's going on here. Yep, all buttoned back up. Yeah, she's here. Good gang. You can call the HR department if you feel like it. But remember, gents, when you put her down, put a little durka into it. Hand durka. Don't zip it on. It looks all cockeyed. Look at it. So romantic. Anyway, so this is what's about to happen. So yes, ladies and gents, this is all buttoned up, and because life hates me, and you guys aren't liking, commenting, or sharing the videos, my car keeps breaking. Yep, that's the story I'm running with. So I'm gonna pull this all apart, take off the starter, go get the starter checked, and I don't know. I'm hoping it's not the starter. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on. Oh, Jesus, no one can see. I can't see anything. Yep, I'm alive until the cops pull me over and I stop and I get the stop resisting. Let me know what's going on. How's your week been? How's your month been? We haven't spoken in a while. Holla at your boy. Yeah, I'm gonna go do this. Until next time, we'll pick up from here.